Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Zulhilmi bin Hassan and my ID number is EC18038. Today, I would like to present the coding of Automatic Kitchen Sause Dispenser. For the first step, we include the servo motor library, wire library and liquid crystal library. After that, this is the liquid crystal I2C display 16 columns by 2 rows. Then, we define the echo pin and trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino. For the echo pin, which is we put into number 2, and the trigger pin is 3. For the servo motor input pin, we put the pin into number 5, connected to Arduino. This is servo motor and the void setup. Void setup is setup function which initialize and sets the initial value. So the LCD begins 16 by 2, so we declare the 16 column by 2 row, and then we declare the LCD backlight, adjust the display brightness, and at the LCD set cursor, start with 1 and row 0, and the LCD print welcome to show the display in the LCD. This is the same step, but we show at the row 1. And then we set the delay to 1.1 second. This is the pin mode trigger pin, output of the ultrasonic sensor, and pin mode echo pin, which is input. And we attach the servo motor. Void loop. Alright, void loop is for looping function. Alright, the program starts directly after the opening curly bracket and runs until it sees the closing curly bracket and jumps back up to the first line in and starts all over. This is digital write trigger pin low, which means the alternate sensor we set low. When it detects hands, it will become high, and then when the hand is go far away from the distance, it will become low again. This is the delay we set. This is the formula for the ultrasonic sensor, the duration. If the distance read by the sensor is less than 10 cm and more than the minimum 3 cm, then it is assumed that there is a hand under the source. Then the servo motor will turn into 60 degree. Servo motor write 60 degree and the delay is 0.1 second. After it detects hands and the servo motor turn to 60 degree, we set the cursor display the chili sauce, get it here. And then the servo motor will come to 0 again, 0 degree back. That's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, hi. Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Najib Husaini. Matrix EC18042. I am from group number 3. Alright, today I would like to present our project, which is the Automatic Kitchen Sause Dispenser. Okay, we designed our circuit in the project as I showed here. Alright, in our circuit we have the analog input, the component of analog input, which is the ultrasonic sensor, potentiometer, and the output is the servo motor. And also we have the Arduino UNO. We use the Arduino UNO. And of course for the display we use the LCD. Alright, I have put the hex file inside for the ultrasonic and the Arduino. Now I will show the solution. Now I run this. Alright. Okay, as we show, when at the start up, the display will show welcome, enjoy the sauce, and okay, when the potentiometer is detecting the hands, so the servo motor will move. Alright, when the servo motor is moving, the display show that chili sauce, get it here, meaning that the sauce is already dispensed, and you'll get back after that. So yeah, that is pretty much how our circuit is working. And That's it, I think, for the simulation part. Now we go to the other part. Now I pass to my teammate. Thank you. Bye bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hatri bin Mokhtar. So I will present you about the hardware for the automatic sauce dispenser. So for the sauce dispenser, we use these 5 things to complete the sauce dispenser. So the first one, of course, the Arduino UNO as the brain, or we call it as the controller for the sauce dispenser. So we connect with the LCD, and the LCD is included with the I2C, so that the hardware will become more simpler. So next we use the analog input with the ultrasonic sensor, and then we have the breadboard and the connector to connect all the equipment. And lastly, we use the dispenser as the medium for the sauce dispenser. Okay, we combine all these components, it will become the automatic sauce dispenser. So the first simulation is for the LCD. As for the LCD, we see if we put our hand, then the LCD will change from to welcome, enjoy, from chili to enjoy. And then next, for the simulation for the motor, if we use the sensor, and the motor will become like this. And for the overall system that make the automatic sauce dispenser function is like this. So if we put our hand here, the LCD will change from chili to welcome, and then the water dispenser will dispense the content of it, the sauce. Okay, that's all for the hardware. Thank you.